Machiegni kendo nyakwaram gajuang kalore gi ng'anyo manyocha one Thurkae piny owacho koro odok kuom jonyuol jodolo kod jodongo mondo mi okony rieyo joma tindo e tieng' masani kendo jiwo gi mondo mi ginya kwe kaachiel gi tiyo gi yore makare e pedho ng'ur magin godo e wi sirikal. Jagoro mongi yore migawo mar arita Dr. Raymond Omolo onyiso oganda go mondo mi one ni rawere ok obawo yo nolose kaunti ma Bomet e kinde chenro mar yawo division ma Mutarakwa kod Kapletundo.
But zaidi ya hayo, tunaomba wajumbe wetu to look into Article 37 and see how we can operationalize it so that there is clarity on when you are planning to demonstrate or to picket. You must be able at least to tell us when you will do it, what time, and who will be involved. So that those who don't want to participate in your demonstration must also be allowed to go about their businesses uninterrupted. Because what we witnessed was loss of lives, destruction of property, some businesses have gone down, and most of those businesses are for the common man. Ule mwananchi wa kawaida. Kuna watoto wetu pia wameingia kwa hii mambo ya betting and drugs, and I would want to appeal to all of you who are here that let's work together so that we address all these vices, because that is the only way this country will grow.